Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the calculator above 50% and install TI Connect CE on your computer so files transfer cleanly. Once done, connect the calculator with a direct USB cable. Make sure the calculator is on and not sleeping. You do this because a stable connection prevents corruption of the OS image. Next, open TI Connect CE and confirm the device appears in the device list. This confirms drivers are correct, and you're ready to download the update file. You now download the correct OS file through TI Connect CE or the built-in updater. Choose the exact model variant to avoid mismatches. Once downloaded, back up RAM and archive any programs to your computer so you can restore lost data if needed. Then drag the 8.0 OS file into the calculator window in TI Connect CE and start the transfer. During transfer, keep the cable secure and do not sleep the computer. This ensures the right process completes without interruption and avoids bricking the device. You finish by following the calculator prompts to install the OS. The device will reboot automatically when installation completes. Once it restarts, check About or Diagnostics to confirm the new OS version and test key functions and programs to ensure everything runs correctly. If the install fails or the calculator is unresponsive, try the update again using a freshly downloaded file and a different direct USB port. If problems persist, perform a RAM backup restore or contact support for recovery guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.